Somebody's almost crawling. Chelsea! Chelsea! Get the flip-flop. You like flip-flops. See, I'm not allowed to have flip-flops. So I want to go get it. Come on, Chelsea. She's almost crawling. Every once in a while, she'll take like a little...
What are you doing, Axe Bandit?
Go on. So we can go in reverse, but we can't go forward yet. Come on, good girl. Almost. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Stop. Now we go backwards. Now we go backwards. Oh, now we play to Allah. Now we pray to Allah. Come on. Chelsea. You can do it. What are you making?
Awesome.
Come on, Chelsea. Whoa. You can't go backwards anymore. Come on.